welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Carol JJ, and today I'm here with another video, very interesting video. So guys, here I have mangoes, 2 mangoes and 2 avocado. So today I'm gonna show you how to make avocado and mango smoothie. So let's peel the mangoes together. And guys, before we proceed, please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share so that we hit 1K subscribers. Let's peel them mangoes. So guys, here I'm trying to cut the mangoes into pieces and I'm done. So let's build the avocado together. Not even that, you have to use your hands, not even, no need of knife or whatever. See guys, they need to look like so. You have to be careful. The avocado is very yummy. So guys, avocado ndio hii nishakata because I'm not going to use avocado mingi, too much mangoes. Yeah, hope this is enough. So acha tuweke kwa blender yetu. That's avocado and this is mangoes. Yeah. So guys, kama kawaida, I'm going to use milk to blend. Yeah, so let me add milk. So guys, here I have milk that I'm going to use it. So let's add milk. Yeah, hope that's enough. Then we have to close it very well. Then we blend together. Yeah. So guys, our smoothie is ready. So I just not too thick and not too light. You get this one is very yummy. Try avocado and mangoes. Utapenda. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. See you kwa video ingine. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share and to comment. Bye bye.